Hi friends, I am coming to you from my living room, one of the last times that I'm going to be able to do this because my house closes on Tuesday. But I wanted to tell you about my MaxxAir Fan install. I was so worried about it. I didn't sleep the night before. I was so terrified to cut a hole in the roof of my van, a big hole like that. So at the last minute, I chickened out and I called a local auto body shop and I pleaded with them to cut the hole for me. And you know what? They did. And it came out wonderful. But then I had to beat the rain. I live in upstate New York right now. It has been raining nonstop. So I had to get home and finish the MaxxAir Fan install. So the first thing I did when I got home, I got all my holes pre-drilled for this structural member that's going inside the van on the opposite side of the fan. So that would go inside the van as a structural support to the fan. So on the top of the van, there's a flange that the fan sits in, and underneath the metal of the van is this wooden frame structural support. And then I had to drill holes through that structural 3/4 inch ply into the van and then put my flange on top. Okay, I got the butyl tape down. I have some masking tape down just to give me an outline to get that butyl tape down. And here we go, I'm gonna start screwing it in. My friend Debbie came over to help, bless her soul. She came over and she held the wooden structural support while I screwed through the flange, the van, and the structural support. And then it was just so easy after that. Everything went together. It was the easiest thing I've done on the van. And I'm so glad I didn't have to cut that hole. But I wanted to show you how it came out. It came out beautifully. And when I got it wired, it worked. And that's all you have to ask for. One win, at least one win in this crazy van life beginning of mine. So stay tuned because yesterday I started my roof. And I want to share that with you when it's all done. I'm gonna whitewash everything, and I just cut 5-inch strips so I could have like a shiplap look. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've ever had a project that you were so nervous about and then everything just came out fine. Thanks for watching again. Bye.